Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we start, so please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps the channel grow and helps millions of English learners around the world. Thank you so much. Today's topic is powerful and maybe a little uncomfortable. We're going to talk about 10 things that make you sound like a beginner in English, even if you've been studying for years. Don't worry. These mistakes are very common, and the good news is they are easy to fix. Let's begin. Beginner sign number 1. Saying, "I'm fine, thank you." This is the classic school English answer. It's polite, but nobody really says it in real life. Natural alternatives are, "I'm good, thanks. How about you?" "Pretty good, thanks." "Not bad." "Doing well." Small upgrade. Huge difference. Beginner sign number 2. Speaking robotically, word by word. Beginners speak like this. "I want to go to the store." Fluent speakers speak in phrases, "I want to go to the store." "I'm heading to the store." "I'm gonna go grab something." English has rhythm, flow, music. You need to connect the words. Beginner sign number 3. Overusing very for everything. Very big, very good. Very tired, very happy. It works, but it sounds basic. Use stronger adjectives, huge, instead of very big. Exhausted instead of very tired. Thrilled instead of very happy. Delicious instead of very good. This upgrades your English immediately. Beginner sign number 4. Translating in your head. You want to speak, but your brain is still converting your own language into English. Translation equals slow. Slow equals hesitation. Hesitation equals beginner vibe. Break the habit. Use simple phrases. Think directly in English. Beginner sign number 5. Using dictionary definitions when explaining. Beginners explain like this. It is a tool for cutting metal, small, sharp. Fluent speakers say, you know, like a small knife. It's the thing you use to cut bread. It's similar to use comparisons, not definitions. Beginner sign number 6, avoiding contractions. Beginners say, I do not know. I am not sure. I will go. Natives say, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'll go. Contractions make you sound natural and fluent. Beginner sign number 7. Using the wrong intonation. Beginners sound flat, monotone. All words same tone. But English uses emotion, melody, up and down. For example, really? What? No way! Intonation equals life in English. Beginner sign number 8. Using too much textbook English. I would like to inquire about your establishment. Nobody speaks like that. Natural English is simpler. Hey, I wanted to ask you something. Can I get some help? Drop the unnecessary formality. Beginner sign number 9. Being afraid to ask for repetition. Beginners panic when they don't understand. They freeze. They smile nervously. Fluent speakers ask naturally, "Sorry, what was that? Could you say that again? Come again? What do you mean?" Confidence greater than perfection. Beginner sign number 10. Overthinking every sentence. Beginners build the perfect sentence in their head before speaking, but real English is fast, messy, imperfect. You don't need the perfect sentence. You just need a sentence. Say it. Fix it later. Just keep going. The good news: if you recognize yourself in these 10 signs, good. It means you now know exactly what to fix, and fixing them will upgrade your English more than any grammar lesson, any vocabulary list, or any textbook. These small habits are exactly what separate beginners from confident speakers. Final message. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the community grow and helps millions of learners finally speak English naturally. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.